Hey guys, Ayon here, and this is the 2020 M1 MacBook Air.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So, I recently got my hands on the beautiful M1 MacBook Air that was released in November 2020. Given that this was released almost 9 months ago, you probably would have heard of the features that this is packed with, which I'll briefly cover on this video. Previously, I had the 2015 MacBook Air, which I have since sold, and after using this one for some time, I can tell right off the bat that it has unmatched potential. Now, this specific model that I got was the silver color, which I thought portrayed this classic Apple hardware color, so I opted for that. This is actually the base model that comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU. Looking at the design, it's quite the same as the previous models, with one headphone port along with 2 Thunderbolt 3 or USB 4 ports. Now, if you're coming from an older model that comes with the butterfly keys, in this one you'll get the improved backlit Magic Keyboard along with some changes in keyboard layout. For example, you now get the Spotlight search, dictation and do not disturb right on the top function keys. One of my favorite parts of this device is the large glass trackpad that it comes with. It's smooth to the touch while it gives great responsive feedback to the click. Moving on to the top, I think the display is one of the best in the market that a laptop has to offer. I definitely think Apple went full on this one, as it gives a premium look with high color accuracy while it outputs 2560 by 1600 at a peak brightness of 400 nits. I'm not sure if many have talked about this particular area, but I have to tell you that the speakers are amazing. Crisp, clear and there's a subtle bass. perfect placement on either side of the laptop, and it just works. In terms of performance, with my experience in using it in the past few weeks, I could definitely see a huge difference. It certainly exceeds expectations, and the apps or softwares I have been using just slides through like butter. Now, speaking of battery life, Apple advertises that it could easily get up to 18 hours of battery life in a single charge. Now, with the time that I have had this and having been using this, I have been easily able to get 10 plus hours of battery life. But if you're a light user, I do believe you'll be able to push it up to the 16-hour mark. I mean, with how efficient the M1 processor is, and with me being able to get this much juice out of this, is just mind-blowing. I definitely think that this M1 MacBook Air has been competitively priced with the other laptops in the market, where one of the key selling factors is mind-blowing performance thanks to the Apple Silicon M1 processor. With the release of these M1 MacBooks, along with how positive the comments have been from the MacBook user community, I can't wait to see what the future holds for the next generation Apple-based silicon computers. In my next video, I'll be taking a look at some of the accessories that I got for this MacBook, so make sure you don't miss that, and if you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, let's have a discussion in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.